out here in the sun, she is an absolute beauty. That paint looks phenomenal in the sun. They did a great job on this. Beautiful, beautiful color. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Once you figure out the clutch, it's a lot easier to get into the gears and stuff. I'm still need to put a little more seat time on it, but so far it's shifting really good. Steering wheel's really straight. The car's driving straight, no issues there. They do have that typical free play in it. Other than that, drives great. Not a lot of power, but just enough to cruise around. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on that wheel, typical light little scuffs, but overall in great condition. Looks really nice. Date code on the tire, 2018. Looks really good. Looking at that paint, absolutely gorgeous so far. These are vinyl. They're in great condition. That pillar looks amazing. I don't see any chips. Got the hard top. I do see some gashes right there. Overall, it's in phenomenal condition. See a little spot in the paint there from the repaint, little bubble. See one chip there. That lower door looks good. Paint has a lot of depth to it, beautiful sparkle. Very clean. That looks good. Here on that wheel, it's in great condition. And then checking out the hood, this has PPF on it as well as the covers here. You have nothing on the fenders though, but that full front is protected. And it looks like they did it when it was new paint, because I'm not seeing any rock chips there. That looks really, really good. You can see the film kind of lifting on the edge there. That upper section looks good. Looks like a little scratch right there. That light's super clean. Typical wear on that light. Little marking here. Overall, that front end looks perfect almost. Just a couple little rock impacts. Other than that, really, really nice. That fender looks good. Wheels in great condition. Lower rocker looks awesome. Beautiful restoration on this car. If you look closer around this, you're going to see some flaws on the inner side there of that dash. Looks good. Nice and clean all the way around. That wheel looks amazing. Here on this deck lid. I mean, with so much depth in the paint, absolutely beautiful. Killer job on that. We do have some cracking on that light. Other than that, she looks gorgeous. All right, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. So nice. You're gonna have typical flaws in here. It looks like they kind of stapled that there, so getting that replaced, it'd look a lot better. The rest of that's super clean. Here on the jams, just kind of scan through there. Got the plaque there. That trim looks nice. Absolutely gorgeous seats. Cushion is beautiful there. Edge is nice. A little bit of markings here. A couple light flaws, but as a whole, that is a absolutely gorgeous seat. Steering wheel. That looks good. Middle's clean. That is really nice. Trying to scan through that upper side of the dash. Looks good. Buttons are clean. Love these floor mats. See a tiny crack there. Rest of that looks good. Beautiful. Alright, looking at that door panel. Looks good. You do have a little snag there, a little rip. If you can see that. Here in the jams. Those look good. Trim's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Looking at these seats, they look amazing. Super nice. Beautiful on this side. There's your book right here. Underneath that looks good. Little marking right there. Love the floor mats. That looks good. Overall, that dash looks amazing. Alright, checking this out. Some stains, rips in the carpet. Just kind of scanning through all this. Here on the underside, looks really good. Typical flaws here and there. See, that's kind of fallen back, but otherwise looks good. Let's try to take a peek in here. Here on the underside. Overall in great condition.